Hey, this is Tom Willard with Tom Willard Trading. This week's lesson is going to be about trading the same issue multiple ways. And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is trading the same stock, issue, vehicle, long and short in the same day, long and short in the same week, long and short in the same month. And this is a psychological challenge for a lot of people. They have a hard time going two ways on the same issue in a short period of time, whatever that short period of time tends to be for them. And what I want to teach everyone here is that flexibility is key. Don't worry about it. If you can pick up from your technical training where the market is most likely going to flow next, and it's in the opposite direction it just did, why not get on for the ride? And that's the key to being able to get more opportunity in the markets. Before we continue, read this trading and investing disclaimer. Feel free to pause the video here before continuing. Welcome back. This is a particular issue that we discussed in the trading room, and it was a short. And this particular issue gapped down and it moved lower, and you can see this chart, it based and it gave a nice shorting opportunity here. So therefore you could get short there and be on the short side looking for this thing to go lower in price so that you can make profits. Now as you can see, profits are ringing up. As I continue exposing more of the 2-minute chart, you'll see here's the original short, it based some more and then it broke down again, and then a gorgeous run down. So now you're thinking, okay, you're licking your lips thinking, okay, time to take some profits. We just got to figure out where. Well, here's where you take profits. Continue 2-minute chart. Here's the original short. Here's that base and the second breakdown. The move down, the move down, the move down. And notice how here you got a lot more bars setting up kind of a support area, whereas in these areas where it tried to bounce, it didn't really put a lot of time in before it fell apart again. This is the time to cover and get long. Now, I teach there's a number of ways to get in here. There are optimal ways. It's too much to get into in this video, but there are great ways to get in here and get long. First off, cover to take your profits and get long, and that's the time to do it. A lot of people can't do it. If they get to the point where they can at least make the money here, they're out, they're done, they clean their hands of it, and they walk off and think, okay, great. But what I'm challenging you guys to say is like, look, if this thing is so extensive down and there's a good chance for a dead cat bounce, why not ride it up? Why not? Okay, and let me show you what it looks like on a higher time frame. Bam, look at that 15-minute chart. Here's the original short, boom, right? Here she comes all the way down. Here's where you cover and get long in this area. You have a little bit of a pullback to a higher low, and then up, 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 and look at this. It retraced about 50% of this move throughout the rest of the day. Beautiful profits here. So yes, great money made here, and you can hang your hat on that for a little while, but what I'm challenging people is like, why not go the other way? When you got something like this, and this is again a lot of the technical concepts that I teach, and this is again too much to go into in this short video, but this is screaming at me that this is going to dead cat bounce, and it doesn't mean it's going to happen. Remember, you know, the market can do whatever it wants to do, but the odds are is that there would be one, and in this particular case it was a beautiful one. So this is what I'm encouraging you guys to do. Be flexible, think outside the box, think, hey, we can go both ways, flow with the market, take advantage of these situations that arise on an almost daily basis in the market. Visit my site, guys, find out more free trading tips, programs. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great week trading. Again, Tom Willard at TomWillardTrading.com. Have a great week.